report says fight against corruption has become worse. But we know that some major figures have been arraigned. The latest of them being a former Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami. Let's start from there. Do we have a sense of the war against corruption taking place and that the society is going to be better sanitized in 2026, or was it sanitized at all in 2025?
Thank you. Good evening. Thank you for having me. Now, straight up to your question, you see, my position is that there's no war against corruption. If there's anything, there's even an enablement of corruption under this administration. And concerning the prosecution of the former Attorney General, the Minister for Justice, this is selective prosecution. There are a lot of issues that a lot of people who have been indicted for several corrupt practices, and the EFCC has not gone after them even for one day. So there is no war against corruption. There is selective prosecution for political benefits and interests. I can see the prosecution that is ongoing as a witch hunt of opposition elements. And in a general overview, talking about an assessment of whether this government has tackled corruption or is putting any measure in place to fight or battle corruption, I insist that this government has not done anything to fight corruption. They are, in fact, enabling corruption. What was the first thing that President Tinubu did when he came to office? He removed subsidy. And upon removing subsidy, he said that the corruption in the system of the entire subsidy thing was too much, that there were few persons benefiting, and that the monies that were removed from subsidy would be diverted towards ameliorating the hardship that the removal of subsidy would cause on Nigerians. But upon removing subsidy, fuel jumped from 200 naira to about 1,000 naira. And Nigerians have not benefited anything from that money that was removed from subsidy, which is the only common patrimony that Nigerians enjoy.
All right, let's take the removal of... I'm sorry to interject. This is we're about the monetary sector, the economy.
Constraint for time, I'll just simply say that in analyzing whether the economic state of a country has developed, what you should consider is the livelihood of the people. So the simple question is, has the livelihood of Nigerians improved from what it was, or has it gotten worse? Insofar as the livelihood of Nigerians has not gotten better, the president cannot claim that he has made reasonable development in the economic sector.